Okay, last video we have seen how to work with the servlet, right? Okay, now there is a last part of our syllabus in the Java. Work with the JFX, right, for the GUI application, graphical user interface. But before that, the most important part, we need to prepare our Eclipse with the setups, right? So let us first see our step number one, how we can ready our Eclipse for the JFX application. For that, you can go to that help of the Eclipse, right? Let me just check recording is on or not. Yeah. So go to the help and you can see there is an option called Eclipse Marketplace, right? So go to the Eclipse Marketplace because I have already done the setup. So I do not want to disturb my setups. I do not want to uninstall and install it again. But let me tell you the process how I have done the setup. So okay, so once you go to the Eclipse Marketplace, here you can see the what are the softwares under Eclipse you have already installed. You can check under installed tab. This is the particular the second one, right? EFX Eclipse 3.8.0. It is already installed in with my Eclipse, right? If in your case it will be not installed, so what you need to do, you just need to type EFX Eclipse here in the search. So let me show you. Yeah, here EFX CLIPAC. Hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will see that particular software will be on over there, right? It will be there. You can click on install tab will be there for you, and you can follow the installation process and restart the Eclipse. So once you are done this installation, there are many other things as we have seen during the JDBC, right? We need to add few jar file for that MySQL connection purpose. So similarly, we also need to add jar file over there. But before that, once you've done all the installation properly, okay, and the next step is we need to download the JFX library, right? So as you can see, I've used ChatGPT for all those preparations and everything, right? So you can utilize this ChatGPT. In that search bar, just write JFX JavaFX download. It will prepare for the download tab. If you go to the download tab, this is the complete documentation of the JavaFX, right? So just scroll down it. You can see the controls, right? Total controls. So many beautiful controls are there. So that's why Java has now created from the JFrame swing to that JavaFX. Any kind of graphical user interface you can design. Okay. So where is our jar file? Yeah, here you can just go with the JFX runtime. You can see the download. Go to the download. My PC is a little bit older, so it will be a little bit slow. But here you can download the latest version. Okay, so these are the supported versions available. You can based on your operating system you can go with. I have the Windows, so I am selecting Windows. Look at the Windows version you have. So I have my 64-bit OS operating system and the system, so I've selected the 64, and whatever type you need, the HDK or you need the dock, so I just select any, and here you can download the HDK. Okay, so this is the file we need to download. So definitely it will be in a zip folder, so already I have in my laptop. Let me show you. So if I just go to my download folder, yeah, that is the yes, this is the folder that I have downloaded from the same link. Okay, so once you extract it, it will be there, or you can change the path. I keep it in the download, right? So once you extract, you will see this folder, and in the check cross verify in the lib, we need all those jar files, right? Okay, so I'm assuming that you have done the jar file properly, and you have also installed that EFX Eclipse version for that JFX programming, GUI programming, right? Through the marketplace. Okay, now next step, let us see a very first project how we can create. You click on file, click on new. Also click on, you can see there is no such application by the name GFX. You can click on this this icon as a new project. Okay, white color window plus, or you can also go to the other. If you installed it the JFX Eclipse properly, you can click on the project, and from that project part, please select JavaFX project. So here you can see the different things that we have set up with my Eclipse. So JavaFX will come separately. Select JavaFX project. Click on next and just give a name. So my first JavaFX application. Right. Click on next. Okay, just to go back again. No need to tick mark this module file. You don't require. Also click on next and just click on finish. Okay, you might think about why not I am using with going with the NetBeans where every setups are already there. Basically, I like to do the steps, all the things from the root, how we can do the step by step, so that you can understand the complete process, right? Fine. So now you can see a default project has been added to the Project Explorer, or you can say the Package Explorer, whatever. And under the source, there will be a package application, and under the application, there will be two files there. One is the main.java, and another is the that is application.css. As we have seen in that web page of the JFX, right? Many things. If I just go here, so many kind of tools are there. Okay, so just look at it, the very good beautiful designing tools are there, so that thing you can achieve with the css. That is the reason that an application.css file is there, but right now I'm not going to use it. Let us do the setup first. Okay, so now in the main.java, if you open, just let us see the code once. Okay, your class need to be extended from the application, and careful whenever the whatever the thing you're going to add into your javafx, it should be the proper class should be imported, and careful awt is also there, right? So it should be under the javafx hierarchy. Okay, we're going to add the buttons, many things is available in the awt package also, then it will not work. Careful. So now next thing is that our setup is incomplete. You can see jar files I have not added yet, right? So first thing first, right click over the project, go to the build path and configure build path. Okay. So under libraries, go to the libraries. Under libraries tab, click on the class path. Under class path, what we need to do, we need to add one library. So let's click on add library. Go to the user library. Under user library, you can see already there are javafx because I have already added for my earlier projects. So let me just remove it. Mm, User library. Okay. Uh, how I came again just yeah, I go to the just one more time so that you did not miss any particular step. Do it very carefully. Build path and configure build path. Go to the libraries tab, select class path, go to the add library, and it will open the what type of library you want to add. So I'm going to add a user library. So it will select user library, click on next. JavaFX is already there because I've added for my previous projects. So don't worry, just click on the, if you, I can select and I can continue, but let me show you the complete process. So go to the user libraries and select this library and remove. Okay, so let us create a new library here, new. So JavaFX, right? You can tick mark this box, system library added to the boot class path. Okay, and now once you the added, you need to add the jar files, right? So select that particular one and click on add jars. While you click on the jar file, just a minute, yeah, click on the external, add external jars. So if you remember in the download folder, I have that particular folder where I have extracted the JavaFX. Okay, so you need to traverse to that leaf folder. So I've traversed to that leaf folder. You can go from here also. Yes. Okay. So we get the folder. Yes. So you can check the path here. JavaFX, leave, and we need to add all of them, right? Okay, so we have done. The library has been added. Click on apply and close. Now select the library and finish it. Right, so my JavaFX has been added. Remember, this JavaFX SDK will be only added if and only if you done the installation properly for the EFX clips that from the marketplace. Okay, another option is there by traversing to the JDK folder of your program files, and there is a JavaFX folder. That thing you can add. So I think marketplace is the easiest one. Once you're done, it will be remain there. Now apply and close. Okay, now see all the no red cross has been gone. Okay, because they get the correct setup, they get the jar files. So now let us execute this. All there will be another thing we need to do. 1 minute, just see. Now go to the run as. Now you need to do Java as run as Java application. So if I click the Java application, you can see some errors are there. Could not find or load main class. So they're saying that main class is not present, although main is there, right? So one thing you need to do, select the project, right? Okay, and go to the build path and go to that not build path, run as run configuration. Okay, fine. So once you run configuration, you can see on the left hand side on the Java application, there are a couple of main classes already there because of my earlier projects. So you can just add the right one, okay? Latest one. So main 5 is my latest one, and you need to provide the virtual machine arguments over here. Okay. So there is a genuine no path is there. What we need to do? We need to provide the module path here. So no need to buy hard, just I get it from the Eclipse. So let me just copy it, right? So better to show the correct one. 1 minute, you can just do path. Yeah. So the standard format will be, where is the standard format? This is, yeah, this is the standard format, right? Copy and I'm adding it here. So here you need to replace the path of the leaf folder. You need to replace path of the leaf folder under the double quotes for the providing of the string. So I'm copy the path of the leaf folder and I have pasted it. Right, now apply and run. Okay, so beautiful scene has been appeared in front of the desktop, right in front of the screen. Okay, so please remember this tab, how to set up, how to ready your Eclipse, okay, for the basic installation of the JavaFX. Once your scene is ready, you can now explore the particular thing, okay, JavaFX in detail. Right, so this is the only installation part how you can do. So this is up to, in this video up to this much only.